Hey there everyone, I'm your host Cherry, glad to see you here, and let's get started with the devlog. First off, I've implemented Discord rich presence integration, which is something that some of you were looking forward to, so now your friends can see exactly what you're up to in the game. It's a neat feature that enhances the experience. I planned for it to be toggleable in the settings, but we'll see how it turns out. For now it's going to be permanent and it's not toggleable yet, but probably will be. Next thing that I have made is I have created 2 more levels for you to play. They are not available in the public playtest version yet, but they are available for the private beta testers. If you want to apply as one, just hit me up on Discord. My ID is in the description. And yep, that's the way that you can ask me. I also have 1 more level in the works. I plan for it to be a multiple paths level with a couple paths that vary with difficulty. On screen you might see my current draft for it. I plan 1 main path and some branching of shortcuts which are going to be fun for speedrunning. Now, here's something that a lot of you have been eagerly waiting for. I am implementing controller support. I'm working hard to ensure that players can enjoy the game using their favorite controllers. The game is currently fully supportive of controllers, but only in main game, not in the main menu yet, but it will come, just give me time. I need to work on it a bit more. One more thing that I'm working on is an early trailer for the game. I have a couple ideas on how to bring it to life, but as usual I would love to see your feedback. It helps me out a ton and I always love to see it. I value your thoughts and ideas and I want to hear from you. Please comment on this video and let me know what you'd like to see in the game. Any feature, level design or mechanic, your opinion matters. By the way, I'm also open to incorporating some lore into the game. What kind of lore do you think would fit our game world? Share your creative ideas with me. I will read them all and most likely I am going to probably implement it since I don't have any ideas. Who knows, maybe your idea will be the integral part of the game's narrative. Now, time for a small break to the sponsor of this video, which is Unity Asset Store. There is a huge sale going on in the Unity Asset Store right now, where some assets are up to 50% off, and these assets are actually really good and I think I will be purchasing some even by myself. These assets have been chosen by Unity affiliates like me and they are all really good. So if you're purchasing anything, use my link from the description below. It costs you nothing and it helps me out a ton. I have gotten some complaints that the game was not forgiving, so I decided to, well, make it more forgiving. I made it so when you tap any unsuitable surface, it won't kill you instantly and give you some time to recover. If you just touch the surface for more than 0.15 of a second, then you die, or if you touch the surface a couple of times before getting a checkpoint, then you die as well. It just makes it a bit more fun, a bit more forgiving, and makes it feel more, well, polished, smooth, and all of that. By the way, this just highlights how important your input actually is. One of the more notable things while I was making this devlog was an error that stopped all button animations. This one allowed me to experience all 5 stages of grief at the same fucking time. And guess what? You know what the fix was? Oh my god, I'm so okay, yeah, that makes sense. Setting 1 goddamn variable in the animation to true. And this took me 3 hours to realize. This has nothing to do with any progress that I have made. It's just that it's just something that I really wanted to complain about because this was so much pain and I regret all of my life choices. Anyways, that will be it for the video. Have a nice one, hope you enjoyed, see you in the next one, and do all of the things that YouTubers ask you to do in the videos. I don't know what they are these days. Anyways, see ya, bye.